Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today I brought you your favorite Bluey little library book. Let's see what's inside. It's Chilli, Bandit, Bingo, and Bluey. It's about Bluey's family. How interesting. Now we have our brand new Bluey little library. In here we have Chilli, we have Bandit, we have Bingo, and we have Bluey. As you know, in every little library there is a puzzle. Let's see what is today's puzzle is. Yes, it's easy. It is easy. It's easy. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, let's read the first one. The Bluey. This is Bluey. Be free, my animal friends. She lives with her mom, dad, and little sister Bingo. She loves dressing up as a greedy queen. You can't hide from me, Jerry, or a boss, or a ninja. Sometimes she wishes she was a fruit bat, so she wouldn't have to go to bed. Bluey loves having fun with her friends. Let's play bus drivers. Bluey. Let's read this. It is Bandit, Bluey's dad. This is Bluey and Bingo's dad, Bandit. Good day, G-Day, Bubblets. He loves cricket, playing footy, and spring rolls. He thinks he is the best driver in the world. Bluey is not so sure. He's got some seriously sweet moves and some smelly ones. But best of all, Bandit loves playing with Bluey and Bingo. Is the operation finished? How lovely. It's nice. Now read this. It's Chilli. This is Bingo and Bluey's mom Chilli. Wagadoo! She always throws herself into a game. Welcome to our restaurant. And she loves playing hockey and dancing. She likes hanging out with the other ones. The little creatures must be hungry. But most of all, Chilli loves being with her family. Now, there's only one book left. It is our Bingo. B-I-N-G-O, Bingo. Say hello to Bluey's little sister Bingo. Karaton. She is really good at flourishing. The dance not her teeth. We can be lettuce, and this is a big salad spinner. Bingo likes playing games with Bluey. Bingo loves hugs. She loves them so much she sings a song to them. Pull a little bug on the wall, ding ding. Bingo and Bluey have lots of fun together. Lovely day for a drive, wouldn't you say, Rita? Sure, it is, Janet. They love playing. You all love playing. Let's see you with another beautiful collection. Till then, bye-bye. Love you.
to kids.